into the corner of my mind. Come take a walk with me and see just what you'll find. Take a walk in my shoes and a look through my eyes. See into my head and what's behind this smile. I lay in bed that night thinking of the dark night sky while the monsters came alive. He came up to my side of the bed where we slept. The little girl and me wept, and I tried to hold my breath while he silently crept. I got distracted by a thought of a teddy bear I bought, and all the while he was there I was in La La Land, gone to the moon with the stars, and I landed on Mars. But something wasn't right, cause the earth was too far. Scared, so I cried and wished with all my 6-year-old mind that I'd come down from the height. The sun's too hot and bright. Mommy please, daddy please, why aren't you here to save me? This black hole is sucking me in and it's really trying to take me. Suddenly I landed with a bounce in my bed, and my hair was a tangled mess about my head. But my teddy bear was gone, nowhere in my room. When I came back down to earth, I think I dropped her on the moon. A little trip into the corner of my mind. Take a walk with me and see just what you'll find. Take a walk in my shoes and a look through my eyes. See into my head and what's behind this smile. Just 15, only 2 months from her sweet 16. Good girl, good grades, extracurriculars in between. Summertime, first time she saw him at the fair, and she was new to this, so she was unaware that he did this every day, just looking for a score. To her face she was his boo, behind her back he called her whore. She gave him all her attention, love, time, and affection. When people asked her questions, she didn't even question. He was her world, but while he was texting her, he had 3 other girls that he called baby first. Blind puppy love though made her sneak out her window. Didn't pick her up at home, he made her walk down the road. Took her for a drive and she was having a good time. Turned into an hour-long ride, but of course she didn't mind. Then the truth came out when he ignored her no-no-nos. You think you know about, but no, you just don't know. Gonna take a little trip into the corner of my mind. Come take a walk with me and see just what you'll find. Take a walk in my shoes and a look through my eyes. See into my head and what's behind the smile. Looking back at it now, I'm glad I made it out. But because of you I've almost been 6 feet underground. I'm trying to forgive in this good way I try to live, but I gotta deal with the shit from when I was a kid. Took time out your life to completely shatter mine. It's messing with my mind and it's easier to hide with time. The memories of you make it hard for me to breathe, and no matter how I try I can't love me for me. In the end though, I know it's you who truly suffer. I'm a diamond in the dirt who only lost her luster. Take it from AK, I'm a strong Ojibwe Quay. My rope is a little frayed, but I'm gonna have my day. You killed me for a while and I was dead inside, but I still put on this smile and steadily I fight. These demons you put inside me, no, I won't let them take me, cause even though you destroy me, I got myself to come and save me.